8:15. That's when it stops. That's when everything stops.
I knew the minute he'd die before I knew his name. Hi, welcome back. I'm in Hiroshima, and right now in this light, it's beautiful. It's August 3rd, 1945. In 3 days, this city ends. Nobody here knows it. Everyone I filmed today, I know something about their week they don't. Quick background. Every other big Japanese city has been firebombed to ash. Hiroshima, somehow, hasn't been touched. People think they're lucky. They're not. It's being saved for one bomb. I keep checking this. 8:15 on the 6th, that's the moment. You can't feel a number, but you can feel one boy. Let me find one.
Sorry, didn't see you.
You're carrying more than you weigh. You are doing a wonderful job.
Yeah, we'll rebuild it all.
He's tearing down houses so fire can't spread. In 3 days, there's no fire to spread. There's just one flash. Hungry?
My mom always packs too much. Barley and soybeans.
It's not much, but she saves the ration all week for it.
I'm Haruki, first year.
Yeah.
You talk funny. You're not from here. You a reporter or something?
Sort of.
Sort of. Sort of.
Right. He calls me Olivia. He's 13. Last month, he was in school.
Come meet my mom. She likes visitors. We don't get many now.
Oh, a guest! Haruki, you didn't say. Sit, please.
Have you come to play with me?
It isn't much these days. We make it stretch. Everyone does.
His father's somewhere down south. We write. The letters stopped coming in June. Oh, she is beautiful. This house, this table. I keep wanting to warn them. And there's nothing I can say that helps.
I'm going to build bridges. Real ones, bigger than the Aioi. I've drawn hundreds.
He's drawn bridges since he was small. Every scrap of paper.
He loves that bridge, the Aioi. The bombs aimed right at it. Look at this, it's completely alive. Trams, shops, gossip, kids late for school. A totally ordinary Saturday. Blocks and blocks of this, just to stop the fires spreading.
Almost got it. There it goes. She's 15. All the drivers got called up, so the schoolgirls run the trams now. It's so hot, the tar's melting. Race you to the shade. Loser carries the beams.
End of the day. Filthy and proud. Same as any kids, except they're not. 2 days left. I keep hoping I'm wrong about all of it. Evenings, we come down to the river. Best hour of the day.
No, fold it back on itself, like this. There, your first crane. It's a bit ugly. 1,000 of these gets you a wish. I folded 200. that Dad comes home, and that I build one real bridge before I'm old.
He skips stones like he's got all the time in the world. 1,000 cranes for a wish. He's got 200. He won't reach Tuesday. That dome over there. In 2 days, it's all that's left standing.
Keep this one, so you remember you can't fold. When you visit again, I'll teach you properly.
I still have this crane. I'm holding it right now, actually. It's the only thing of his that made it out.
Inside, quickly. Same as every night. Just the usual alarm. My girl's safe up in the hills with her gran.
See? Nothing. Tomorrow I'll bring you a sweet. Promise.
False alarm again. They never come for us.
Bed. It's the 6th now. Just a few hours. What do I tell him? Don't go to work? He'll go. He always goes. He always goes. She's making tomorrow's lunch. She doesn't know it's the last. It's nearly dawn. It's the 6th of August. It starts today. The morning of the 6th. Not a cloud. Most beautiful morning ever. An alert at 7. One plane. It left. All clear. Everyone relaxed. That all clear is the cruel part. It brought everyone outside.
Off to the site. Big job. Whole block down by noon.
Haruki, please, don't go in today. Just this once, stay home with your mum.
Why are you crying? It's just work. Home for dinner. Save me some.
I took his picture, told him it was for the paper. It wasn't. And off he goes, into a completely normal morning. He didn't look back. 8:10. He's at the site.
I'm on the bridge.
5 minutes. 5. 8:14. One speck up there, so high. Its door is opening. And then... I can't hear anything, just a ringing. The whole city gone. Then it started to rain. Black rain, warm and greasy. The sky was crying soot.
Haruki? Haruki, answer me! Where are you?
This is where they were. This morning. All of them. Right here.
The kids clearing firebreaks were right under it. The first to go. She found his lunch. The rice still inside it. That's what came home instead of him. I took this yesterday. He was laughing. Keep it safe. Your little girl is safe, up in the hills.
She's alive.
I still had his crane. The only thing the fire didn't take. This is the same building. They never rebuilt it. They left it exactly the way the bomb left it. That flame burns until the last nuclear weapon's gone. 80 years. 70,000 people died that morning. By New Year, over 140,000. Every war ends up here somehow. Men far from the danger making a decision. A boy with a lunchbox paying for it. Haruki taught me this, by a river that's gone. His 1,000th crane. A girl named Sadako started this. She folded cranes too, before the radiation took her. You ring it so it never happens again. That's the whole point.
I cried a lot in this one. Sorry. Thank you for staying with him. And with me. See you on the next one.